Good evening, traders. This is Taylor from thetradinganalyst.com, and we're going to take a quick look at the International Business Machines chart, IBM. And if you were in the chat room live with us, you would have caught our alert for puts up here on this candle right here. And as well, intraday today, we got in on some puts, some nice gains for our members. Moving forward with the IBM chart, and as you can see here, we broke below this little uptrend line that it had going for it, but this is the dominating trend line right here that we have going for it, that downtrend line. So that's what we want to use to trade against. This drop today on today's candle was not on very significant volume, so that means, or that makes me think, that we're going to do another retest up here in the 168 zone, right here at this apex, right where this uptrend meets this downtrend line. So right up here at 168 or so is where I think a great short entry would be. And I think we're going to tag this about 163 down here in the near future. So give it a week or two, maybe three, and we should tag this level down here. If you get into some monthly puts, they should pay for you. Stop for me personally would be a close above this line right here, which would be right at the 169.25 or so. But I do think it's coming down. Not very bullish action out of IBM moving forward. At least that's what we're expecting. If you look at the RSI, trending down, and it's below the 50 RSI line. It's in the bear zone. So once it's down here, you know, it typically stays down here for a while. As you can see, over here, IBM was in the RSI bear zone. It was under the 50 RSI. And once it broke above the 50, pretty much stayed above it, you know, broke below it a little bit, but it stayed above here. So I'm just using that as an example to show you that RSI is useful because it can keep you in a trade. When RSI was above 50 and in the bull zone, IBM was going higher. So you definitely want to use RSI in your trades. And we also got MACD. It's below the zero line, so it's in the bear zone as well. That's the zero line. We've got a bear cross on the stochastics. We've got on balance volume trending down, and we've got the tricks, which is below the zero line as well. And it's trending up a little bit right now, but it'll come down. And that's pretty much it for the IBM trade. You can get a glimpse behind the curtain of the Trading Analyst member-only features like the chat room, educational videos, stock and option alerts with your free 15-day trial at thetradinganalyst.com. Like I said, it's a live atmosphere and we walk you through every part of the trade. We help you with entries, exits, and stops, all that good stuff. And you can also join a group of traders trying to help each other out. It's just a great environment to be in if you're trading the markets. So we'll see you in there tomorrow.